Way to go, girls. Still not there yet, though. Still got a little bit to go.
We were lucky enough to climb Mount Baden-Powell in the nice weather above the clouds. As we were descending, as you can see, we were getting into some weather. We were hiking in the clouds, it was getting colder, and we knew that there was some weather coming in. Just FYI, Mount Baden-Powell is named for the founder of the Boy Scouts. Something I didn't know. The climb up was 4.5 miles and ascended about 2,800 feet. Lots of switchbacks, but it was straight up as we were climbing in the snow. There's some poodle dog bush. Very poisonous. Do not want to touch any of that. It will give you blisters. And there's a lot. I remember last time there's a lot down here. And it usually grows after a big burn. We're almost to the road. It's been a big day. 11 miles. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. But we had a good group of people. It's fun to hike with other people. I swear a lot. I'm probably the only one that swears. You probably think, holy cow. She's really struggling. It's just how I relieve my stress. Jason knows to just like, it's okay, that's what she does. She runs, she groans, she swears. I'm happy that I summited Baden-Powell though. But last time I didn't bother going all the way up. I'm like, yeah, good enough. But this time I went up to the top, got some pictures, and it was nice. We were above the clouds, it was sunny, windy, but it was a pretty good day for summiting that mountain. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Even this road is closed. It's definitely eerie. Today is not my favorite kind of day. Hiking up big mountains. Felt like 3 times. And then down 3 times. And it's cold. But the neat thing about it is we're walking through clouds and it's misty. Not misty, it's like smoky, I guess. How would you describe it?
Eerie?
Eerie.
We are technically in clouds.
Yeah, we are in the clouds.
We summited over 11,000 feet today. Baden-Powell's over 11,000 feet, I think.
No, it's not even 10.
No, it's more than 10.
I don't think so.
I'm checking right now.
Okay.
1,383 feet.
Say that again. What is it?
9,383 feet.
9,000.
It's pretty good though.
Yeah. There was some snow. We used our micro spikes just a little bit, but not as much as I thought we would need them for. And it was pretty sunny and nice going up. It wasn't like this going up. That would suck. Going up that and then not seeing anything is just all this cloud cover.
We got a good view.
Anyway, I'm mentally and physically exhausted just because I don't like being up high, so I sketch myself out mentally and then physically. And
I felt great all day long.
you're a beast. But he loves this. This is his jam. This is his favorite type of hiking. So we're gonna sit up here right beside this road that is closed, which is also eerie. It's just been a very eerie day.
Yeah.
All right. Good night.
Heading down the road. You want to skip? Come on, skip. Skip well.
We are in an outhouse.
It's snowing outside in California.
It's snowing pretty bad. I
It
have
is.
every stitch of clothing on. Let's see. Oh, it stopped. Yay. So far it stopped. Kinda, sorta. We have another hiker in the other bathroom. It's funny.
Really?
Yeah. The next day after Baden-Powell, it started to snow and get windy and snow some more. There was a good 3 to 4 inches that we were walking on, and we decided to get off trail because we couldn't see the actual trail, and sometimes it gets pretty rocky and slippery just with no such snow, and started to do a bit of road walking.
It says icy, honey.
Yeah.
You don't say. You wanted to go for a Californication holiday?
I wanted to go for a hot holiday, get out of Alberta, and be warm.
This is probably the worst thing I've encountered on hiking. It's cold. Different kind of cold than Alberta.
The fun was starting to get less and less as we were getting colder and wetter. So we decided if a car comes by, we're going to try to hitchhike out of this weather and find somewhere to get warm and dry.
We're not very good hikers.
Our ride took us pretty much all the way to LA. So we took an Uber right to the Union Station, got a train, and went to Acton and took a nice break in a beautiful cabin, nice and warm, and showered. What a day that was.